Using a Banco Sabadell debit card is a convenient and secure way to manage your finances. To get the most out of your debit card, follow these tips. First, make sure you have activated your debit card by following the instructions provided by Banco Sabadell. This usually involves calling a phone number or using the bank's online platform to confirm your identity and activate the card. Next, choose a secure PIN for your debit card. Avoid using easily guessable numbers such as your birthdate or anniversary. And make sure to keep your PIN confidential. If you forget your PIN, you can reset it through the bank's online platform or by visiting a branch. To use your debit card, simply insert it into an ATM or swipe it at a point-of-sale terminal. And enter your PIN when prompted. You can use your debit card to make purchases, withdraw cash, and check your account balance. When using your debit card abroad, be aware that you may be charged foreign transaction fees. Banco Sabadell may also have specific rules and restrictions for international transactions. So it is a good idea to check with the bank before traveling. To keep your account secure, regularly review your transaction history to detect any suspicious activity. If you notice any unauthorized transactions, contact Banco Sabadell immediately to report the issue and request assistance. In addition, consider setting up account alerts to notify you of large transactions or low account balances. This can help you stay on top of your finances and prevent overdrafts. Finally, take advantage of Banco Sabadell's online banking platform to manage your debit card and account. You can use the platform to check your balance, view transaction history, and transfer funds between accounts. By following these tips, you can use your Banco Sabadell debit card with confidence and convenience, and enjoy the benefits of secure and easy financial management. Remember to always keep your debit card and PIN secure, and to regularly review your account activity to detect any suspicious transactions.